So good morning traders. Today is 6th January and I took three trade that which I discuss here. So this is my today's profit 12,000 and here on first candle I short, then uh, by mistakenly by willingly I exit this, but this is my biggest mistake for today. Then I long my stop loss it, again re-enter in same trade and then book profit and then छोटा सा scalp, and just after 10 9, see this is my same strike. I did both times same mistake. See 9:15 I buy and 10:17 buy. Okay, please remember time 9:15 and 10:17. Now this is the chart. See 9:15 I buy and here on this spike I exit, then after I got 82 point, and here on I guess what 10:17 somewhere I buy and just 10-12 point in scalping I exit, but see how much 120 points in my favor. This is my first trade and I willingly just want 40 point. Okay, I just seeking for 40 point, but I thought that see here it is. So here it is like a breakout. Okay, so I thought now it is goes reversal. So here I exit in long, but then after my stop loss hit. So here at this closing price I re-enter, but still it is going down. So I just use 50,000, 55,000 the capital, but I add fund and average out here. When it is about to taste this like इसको मैं हटा देगा और दिखेगा. See this 200 day moving average and 100 day moving average. After that I got reversal till here. So I exit here when it is test CPR. So this is my call trade. I book 195 around 23 point in my favor. Okay. Then again here I just छोटा सा scalp when it is form rejection, because this is a region at CPR I exit. Okay, so from here it is reversal, but now I don't have much confidence because this moving average is close to it and maybe anything can happen. So I just scalp till this round number 24,000 ka round number and book 10-15 point. But that after it again goes like 120 point one way. So this is in same strike, same view. Both side my view is bearish and same mistake I book early, and maybe this point maybe uh, gaining. Now I don't know this uh, trend line, important trend line. It is breakdown right now, and this is the previous dead resistance. Now it is if this whole little bit here, now this whole moving average force him to go down maybe. So this is my reason. So okay, so first trade I short here because here it is a CPR and on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, all the moving average is against him. Here it is only two moving average, 50 and 20. After here, see here I just draw this important level also. So in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, my view is bearish. So in Bank Nifty, my view is goes beyond thinking. My view is just 195 point, but it is goes like 400 point. Okay, and here in my Nifty, just I am seeking for this 40 point and something, but it is goes in my favor 130 point. Then I took reversal, so I have no complaint in this reversal trade, but again have complaint in this selling trade. Now see it is like forming hammer at this support level. Okay, and here we have also like a pivot and this support and trend line. So might be it is goes like again here it is we have V-shaped recovery. Again we have something like in beyond this round number it goes, but it will not sustain and come above. So might be it reverse from here also. So I'm not gonna trade again, but this is my biggest mistake today. Say same strike, same view, but I both time I book early. Otherwise I have I don't know. Just 1 minute. At least in this both trade, 120 plus low, at least 186 we consider for a while. 120 plus 86, 206, and just my 375 quantity. So to 120 point in my favor, 86 point in my favor into 375, 77,000, and 30 point plus 375 plus 77,000, almost 88,000 ka profit I have. Not, I don't capture this much, but at least 50%, so 44,000 ka profit I have. Is there, even if in this 40 point I have good profit if I capture this. So just my billing is like 40 point into 375, which is around 15,000. So that's why I just here I have 9,000 ka profit only, but still then again I re-enter in this put side trade, and I made this profit in this 12,000 this last trade. Otherwise here I have 9,000 something a profit. So that's for today. That's why I write here, hold with confidence, trust your analysis. My analysis is like it is going down, and it is. And see, here I when it's from shooting star I also draw, but I book early. Now it is going beyond this 120 point, 130 point. So that's why trust your analysis and hold with confidence. So see you tomorrow.